Did you know that you can private your Steam profile? If you didn't know that, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do so. So guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to private your Steam profile. Now, once you have Steam open, click your profile on the upper right hand side and click view my profile. You want to edit your profile from here, guys, on the upper right hand side. Then on the left hand side, you have those many options. You want to go to privacy settings here, and here you'll find my profile, right? You also see my basic details, and it shows that it's public. But here under my profile, you see right towards the right hand side you have public. There's a little drop down. You want to click on this little drop down here, and here you have friends only. So friends only, it's somehow private too, right? So it's only been private to the people that are your friends on Steam. But if you want to private it, just simply click on private, and as you can see, it is now saved to private. Now you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom as well, and you want to see if there's anything else that is not private. But here you can see that once you private it, everything else below should automatically switch to private, such as your game details, your friends list, your inventory, and so forth, right? So that's it. That's how to go ahead and private your profile on Steam. Very easy and very simple.